Well, good morning, all, and thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you to Carol and the whole team here at the hospital. It's an honor to be here. This facility is an asset not just to Northeast Georgia, but to the whole state, and also serves patients from Tennessee and South Carolina as well. So our whole state benefits from the hard work that Carol and her clinical staff and her administrative team put into ensuring that folks in Northeast Georgia can benefit from the highest standard of care here at the hospital, which boasts a trauma center that provides life-saving, critical care to folks who have been involved in car accidents or taken bad falls or, God forbid, been the victims of violence. The nurses and doctors and techs who work here are heroes who serve our community every day, and they have my gratitude, and I know gratitude from the whole state. I'm here with a historic announcement about the expansion and improvement of trauma care for folks in Northeast Georgia. You see behind us here the new North Patient Tower that the hospital is building to serve the community. And I'm here to brief the hospital leadership and local leaders that I am delivering a new helipad to sit atop this tower to ensure that trauma patients who are brought to this hospital get the immediate care that they need. I heard from the clinical staff today, and we all know that in a trauma case, every second counts. For folks who have been in a car accident, for folks who are suffering from a stroke, for folks who may be bleeding badly, it is so important to get those patients directly into the emergency department, directly into trauma care. And so by building this new helipad and the elevator in the tower that will bring those trauma patients directly to the hospital and down to the care that they need, working together, we're going to save lives. This is ultimately about the health and safety of families across Northeast Georgia and across the state. And so delivering this new helipad with bipartisan support will make a difference for families in Northeast Georgia. I was able to deliver bipartisan Republican and Democratic support in the U.S. Senate to get this done, and pleased to continue working with the hospital and local leaders to see this through to completion. So again, just to make sure it's absolutely clear what we're here to discuss, this is a major announcement of new healthcare facilities coming to serve Northeast Georgia. The hospital is building this new fantastic North Patient Tower, and I have passed through the Senate the resources for a new helipad to ensure that trauma patients in Northeast Georgia get the timely care that they need.